Make $20 every single minute. Make money on Instagram. You can earn $20 every minute simply by taking advantage of one of the most popular social media networks, Instagram. You won't have to sell any product or make any video. In fact, you don't need to do anything. If you're watching this video, you're already an expert at the skill you need for this job. To start earning using this method, you don't need any difficult technical skills or experience. You will be amazed to know that you don't even need a single penny to get started. It is 100% free, and you can earn from literally anywhere in the world, whether it is the United States, UK, Australia, Philippines, India, Nigeria, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, or any other country in the world. You can start making money right now by using your phone, computer, or any other device you can use to access the internet. You should stay tuned till the end of this video, and don't skip any part of this video. I will be showing the step-to-step approach you need to start earning. Let's get started. The website we will be using to earn in today's video is called #4likes. You might be wondering how this is related to Instagram. Just keep following me and it will make sense shortly. Let's go to their website. It is #4likes.com, but before that, let's talk about how this website works. #4likes is a software company that offers a service or tool to help other people grow their Instagram accounts, such as followers, likes, and everything related to Instagram. We will be using this website to make money, and don't worry, you wouldn't need an Instagram account or followers. And as I said earlier in this video, you wouldn't need to sell anything. I will reveal to you all you need to get started. So even if you are new to this, you can start making money right after watching this video. For those that don't know what Instagram is, let me explain what it is briefly. Instagram is a social media platform that lets people post and share photos, videos, stories, and everything else. I am sure everyone is familiar with Instagram, so I don't need to go into so much detail about this social platform. So how can you make money using #4likes? The magic here is that #4likes has an affiliate program where you can earn a commission simply by helping other people grow their Instagram followers using this tool. Let's head over to their site, www.#4likes.com. To know more about their affiliate program, simply scroll down to the very bottom of the home page and click on the affiliate program link. This link leads you to a page where you can get to see more information about the #4likes affiliate program. It is via this program that we can earn recurring commissions every single month again and again. As we go on, I will show you a strategy that will help you complete this whole process even without any experience. Remember that it is 100% free, available worldwide, simple and straightforward. Here are the 4 simple steps you can start earning. Step 1. You will have to become an affiliate, which is free. I will show you how you can sign up. There is no hidden cost at all. Step 2. After successfully signing up for a free account, you proceed to your dashboard and generate your custom URL, which is your affiliate link. Step 3. You will share your URL everywhere, which means you will promote your affiliate link. I will show you how you will go about it for free and very easily. By doing this, people on the internet will click on your affiliate link. Step 4. #4likes will track your clicks, and they will pay you for every single person who signs up using your link. So basically, it's a referral system, which means you have to refer someone to sign up on #4likes. So, there are 2 packages just like I stated earlier. These 2 plans have both weekly and monthly pricing. The first plan is the regular plan, $19 per week and $59 per month. And the second plan is the Pro plan, $25 per week and $89 per month. So, the most popular package is the regular plan because it is very affordable. As you can see, a lot of people will want to purchase this package. Let's do some calculations. If someone gets the regular monthly plan, which is $59 with your affiliate link, you will earn a 30% commission, which means you probably earn close to $20. That's just from a single referral, and what makes it more impressive is that it is a monthly recurring commission. This is a great tool, and people will keep using this software every month, which means you will keep earning $20 over and over every month passively without doing anything. And the good thing is that this is just one customer. Imagine you have about 10 to 30 customers multiplied by $20. That's massive. It's a great opportunity for beginners to even start earning money online. What about if someone gets the Pro Monthly Plan package using your referral link? That means you would be getting 30% of $89. That's around $26. You will get to earn this on a monthly basis as long as your referral keeps renewing their monthly subscription. This is an amazing way to make money online. First of all, you're going to sign up for a free account as an affiliate on #4likes. All you have to do is just click on the Sign Up button on the affiliate page. You will be redirected to a page where you will be required to fill in your details, such as your name, email, country, phone number, and so on. After you have done that, then you can proceed to the Create My Account button. And then after that, you can finally start making passive income online. You have successfully completed the first step. Now it's time to start promoting your affiliate link. You might be wondering where you can possibly share your affiliate link so that people can get to click on it and sign up on #4likes. To increase your chances of getting a lot of referrals via your affiliate link, you need a website with high traffic and an audience who can actually buy this offer. I will share that with you and how you can go about doing it. What we will do now is try to get some traffic, and we will be using Quora.com. Quora is where people come to ask questions and discuss different things. It's a forum for the whole internet. So what are you going to do? What you will have to do is nothing complicated. You are going to head over to Quora, then you're going to create an account. After successfully creating your account, you will search for certain questions like how can I grow Instagram followers or something similar. When you do that, all the questions related to getting Instagram followers, growing your Instagram, and all those discussions will pop up in the search results. It helps you find every question and discussion related to Instagram. Then you can join in on every discussion on Instagram followers and reply to every single question related to Instagram. Don't just copy and paste your link, ensure you come up with a nice answer to the question asked. You should also try to talk about how they can grow their Instagram followers using #4likes, and then you can add your affiliate link. A lot of people will get to see your comment or your response, and they're going to click on that link. They're going to sign up, and they're going to purchase any of the packages. Then you earn some cold hard cash. What an easy way to start earning a passive income online. If you follow all the steps that I have shown you so far, you can even earn every minute using this method. All you need to do is to dedicate maybe 2 to 3 hours daily to this process. It's that easy. All you have to do is to become an affiliate on #4likes, and then go over to Quora to get some people that will click on the link and eventually purchase any of the offers linked. That's how you're going to earn money on a monthly basis without any stress. It's that easy. Make sure you give it a try. That will be all for today's video. Thanks for staying tuned. Let us know what you think of this topic in the comments. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you can always get to watch more amazing videos like this. See you in the next video.